I will show you how to set up your Spacely AI canvas. Start from Create Project. At the homepage you can click Create Project here or clicking Project in the left sidebar. This is your workspace, you will see all your project here. I will hit New Project in the top right to start a new one and give it a name. I'm going to name this Spacely AI Project, and then we'll click Create Project right here. And this is basically your project organizer, where everything stays nice and tidy. Inside every project, you'll find canvases. Think of each canvas as a dedicated workspace for one room, one concept, or one client direction, all organized inside the same project. You can simply click Create Canvas here. After clicking Create Canvas, you'll land right here in the Canvas workspace. To get started, simply upload your input image to activate the canvas. This is your canvas, and here's how it's all laid out. Far left, that's where your selected tools live. Along the top, you've got your tool categories. Switch between them anytime, without leaving the canvas. The left panel is where you configure each tool. If you need to add more, just hit the plus icon. From here, select what you need. For example, I'm going to grab multiple angles and style transfer from the render category. Click what you want, hit Save Changes, and all your tools will be right there waiting in the left sidebar. Want to add or remove tools from other categories? Same thing, just hit the plus icon. Select or deselect to build the toolkit that works for you, then hit Save Changes whenever you're done. Next, I'm going to show you how to work inside the Canvas workspace. Let me walk you through it with a real example. So I want to redesign this room in a mid-century style. For that, I'll be using the Style Transfer tool. You can find it right here in the left sidebar. Click on Style Transfer and you'll see all the controls appear on the left panel. I'll go ahead and select the mid-century style preset. Now, one thing to note, you'll see the Generate button is inactive. That's because you need to click on the image you want to render first. Once you click on it, the Generate button will light up and you're good to go. But if you don't click on the input image, you won't be able to run the render. So make sure you click on the image first, and then hit Generate. Just wait for a short moment, and here's your result. Your room, completely restyled in under a minute. And your work doesn't have to stop here. If you want to keep going, just click on the image you want to continue working with. For example, if you want more angles of this room, just click on multiple angles. Or if you want to switch to a completely different category, simply click the category you want at the top. In this case, I'm going to click on Post-Process to enhance the image. Choose the image size you want, hit Generate, and wait a minute for the result. And here's your image in better resolution. Notice how each image sits inside a labeled box that tells you exactly which tool was used. You can also add new images to the same canvas. Just click the image add icon at the bottom, choose your image from your folder, and hit Open. And just like that, your new image is right there in the same canvas. And you can continue working seamlessly. I'll go ahead and click on Lighting. I want to see this room in a golden hour setting. You can also upload your own reference image, but I'll go with the golden hour preset. And here's the result. Notice the image is now labeled as Lighting Transfer. And as always, you can freely drag and move the boxes around the canvas to keep everything organized. Find your image generation history in the right-hand sidebar. Click See All, and you'll see your full history. Double-click on any image to see its details, including which tool was used to create it. You can also save it to your favorites folder, or click Add to Canvas to continue working on that image. Now let's look at how to name your canvas. At the top left, you'll find the canvas name field. Just type in whatever you want. Here, I'm going to name it Idea Test. It is that simple. So now I'm back at the project page and you can see that the Idea Test canvas is sitting right inside the Spacely AI project folder. If you want to create another canvas under the same project, just click Create in the top right. Everything stays organized in the same folder, so all your related work is always in one place. If you click on the projects label at the top, it'll bring you back to all your project folders. All your projects are organized here. You can also star your important ones so they're easy to find under Starred Projects. One project, multiple canvases, all your tools, right where you need them. That's how Spacely AI is built to work, so you can focus on designing, not searching.